special guest here with us today, if you know what I'm saying. Hey, Sally, you in the house? Hey, what's happening?
I'm just watching YouTube over there. Make sure to go check out my channel too. Sally's Wacky Channel, because everybody loves being a little wacky.
Alright, yeah, go check out Sally's Wacky Channel on YouTube, you know what I'm saying,